In this video, we're going to look at adding and subtracting rational expressions with opposite denominators. And in number 1, it says simplify x squared divided by x minus 6 plus 4x plus 12 divided by 6 minus x by performing the indicated steps. So they're going to walk us through this first one. So the first step they're asking us to do is factor a negative 1 from the second denominator. So here I'm going to have the first rational expression stay the same, divided by x minus 6, plus, in the second expression, we want to factor a negative 1 out of the denominator, which is going to leave us an x minus 6. And then in the numerator, we're going to have 4x plus 12. And then they remind us of the sine rule for fractions, that a divided by negative b is equal to negative a divided by b. So they want us to rewrite it with the negative sign out front. So we're going to have our x squared divided by x minus 6 rational expression plus, now we're going to have a minus out front, 4x plus 12 divided by x minus 6. And now they want us to change the operation. So we're going to change this positive sign to a negative. So we're going to have x squared divided by x minus 6 minus 4x plus 12 divided by x minus 6. And now they want us to subtract it and simplify. So we're going to write it as one fraction, x squared minus 4x plus 12 divided by x minus 6. And now we're going to combine like terms. And we don't have any like terms in the numerator, so we just need to make sure we distribute this negative to both of the terms in the parentheses, which leaves us with x squared minus 4x minus 12 divided by x minus 6. And now we're going to write the numerator in factors of x minus 6 times x plus 2 divided by x minus 6. And our x minus 6 factors cancel, and we're left with x plus 2. So we're going to use the sine rule whenever we have opposite denominators. And this box goes through and talks about the process we just performed and doing that when rational expressions have denominators that are additive inverses. So now let's take a look at a couple more examples. We have performed the indicated operations. Be sure to simplify the results if possible. So we have x squared divided by x minus 8 plus 64 divided by 8 minus x. And we just changed the sign of the operation when we factored a negative 1 out of the denominator of the second rational expression. So I can rewrite this as x squared divided by x minus 8 minus 64 divided by x minus 8. And now write it as one fraction. So x squared minus 64 divided by x minus 8. And then we can write the numerator as factors of x plus 8, x minus 8, divided by x minus 8. And then our x minus 8 factors cancel, and we get left with x plus 8. In this next example, I have 5x minus x squared divided by x squared minus 4x minus 3 minus 3x minus x squared divided by 3 plus 4x minus x squared. And if we look at the two denominators, all of the signs in front of our coefficients are the opposite of each other in the denominators. So again, we're going to use the same process, and we're going to have 5x minus x squared divided by x squared minus 4x minus 3. And now we have a minus sign, so it becomes a plus. 3x minus x squared divided by x squared minus 4x minus 3. And now we write it as one fraction, x squared minus 4x minus 3 on the bottom. And in the numerator, we're going to have 5x minus x squared plus 3x minus x squared. And now I want to combine like terms in the numerator. So I have negative x squared minus an x squared, or negative 2x squared. And I have 5x plus 3x gives me 8x divided by x squared minus 4x minus 3. And since we can't write x squared minus 4x minus 3 in linear factors, this is in the simplest form that we can find. And that's how we add and subtract rational expressions with opposite denominators.